Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for breakfast I made strawberry cornbread. It's delicious. I love it. I'll show you how to make it. I'm mixing two kinds of cornmeal today, polenta and a medium ground freshly milled cornmeal. Brown 1 stick of unsalted butter for boosted nutty flavor. In a large bowl, add that brown butter, maple syrup, avocado oil, buttermilk, and give it a really good mix. I should have beat the eggs first, but in they go, and give it a good whisk. Add the cornmeal, polenta, spelt flour gives it a nutty flavor. I love it. Look at that polenta. Bright yellow, I love it. Baking powder and salt go in. Now, you don't need to use freshly milled cornmeal and polenta. I just did that because I wanted to see what it tasted like, and it actually did taste a lot better. Hull and slice fresh strawberries. Just make sure your strawberries aren't too large, otherwise they'll sink to the bottom. Now I have a 9-inch cast iron skillet here, but I figured out the sides were too short. So I had to change it up and put it in my 9-inch deep dish pie pan, which works perfectly. So the strawberries are weighted down with extra batter, but keep calm and bake on. Anywho, it's gonna work out. 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 to 40 minutes. It actually only took me 30 minutes to bake this delicious cornbread. I love it. I hope you give it a try, everyone. Thanks for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss out. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. Using freshly milled heritage corn is special to me because of my late father, Harold Tenney. He was a plant seed scientist specializing in corn who taught me the value of quality and tradition.